Okay, this is problem number 1 on chapter 9, section 3. So take 1 minute to read the problem, pause the video, and then we start. Okay, for this problem, first part, they want you to find the values of d bar and the standard deviation of the differences. Basically, what they want you to do is find the difference between 98.3 and 98.7. Sorry. So when you subtract these numbers, the difference is going to be a negative 0.4. If you subtract these numbers, the difference will be negative 0.6. If you subtract these numbers, the difference is negative 0.4. If you subtract these numbers, that will be 0.3, and the last one will be negative 0.4. Okay, just by subtracting, for example, 99.5 minus 100.1, you will get this number. Okay, so this symbol d bar means the mean of the differences. That means if you add all these numbers and you divide by the number of elements, in this case 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, you add all these numbers and divide by 5, this is what you will get. There is a way to do it on the PID4 calculator by going to Stat, press Edit, number 1, and set up this table. Okay, this row corresponds to the first column, and the second row corresponds to the second column. I will explain this in a moment, because you will see here blank. Let me do it here on the calculator. You go to Stat, you go to Edit, number 1, so you select number 1, and then you fill out all these numbers. Okay, all these numbers in the column 1 and column 2. So for L3, what you gotta do here is let me maximize this calculator so you can see it bigger. Go up, all the way up with the arrow, highlight L3 and type second 1 minus second 2. When you're typing this little formula right here. Okay. After doing this and pressing enter, you will see these numbers right here. Okay, which is these numbers are the corresponding differences. So once you have these numbers, now we go to Stat again. Stat. And you go to the right side, means highlight calculate, and you select number 1, which is 1 bar stats, number 1. And here it's very important to change this. The default, let me show you what you will see. You will see L1. Okay, so that's not what you want. You want to select this column L3. How do you do that? Well, just clear this part and then press second 3. Frequency list, it's gotta be nothing here in blank. You go down and press calculate. Okay, so this is what you're gonna see at this point. Okay, you press calculate and you will see this screen. So let me tell you, right here, the mean of these numbers is basically this mean. And the sample standard deviation of these numbers is basically this part. Okay? That's how you get this number and this number. So this is the mean of the differences, and this is the standard deviation of the differences. Okay, mu sub d represents the mean of the differences of the population of the matched data. So that that's how you do number one on the TI-84 calculator.